Everyone, I hope we're doing great. It's a bit loud because we are at JetPower 2025, and this time I brought a plane with me. That's the A380. I have just one spot today to fly, like 6 minutes, because it's always, full. So my slot is like in 3 hours, so I have plenty of time. And so this is JetPower 2025. Let's go. Aha! Look at this beauty. This plane got so many flights on it. Still looks great and flies amazing. I think my flight is going to be the quietest. I will ask everybody, please, nobody starts any of their turbines because I need to hear this thing. Anyways, it's going to be like, is this plane on? Compared to these jets, holy cow. I was talking to Martin yesterday. I told him, hey, my plane will be so quiet. Could you please just, while I'm flying, just turn your jet next to me and just simulate that I'm flying? I'm excited. This is my first, this will be my first ever flight at JetPower. I don't know, next year maybe if Tyler is up for it, we bring some of those monsters we have in Atlanta here. Oh, then it's going to be something. Anyways, but this one it's cute. It's cute for now.
This video is sponsored by PCBWay. PCBWay offers high-quality custom PCB prototyping service. They also offer CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, injection molding, and more. We use their CNC service on our custom aluminum landing gear. You can simply upload your file and choose the material you want. This time of the year, you can participate in their project design contest and win prizes up to $1,500. Learn more at PCBWay.com.
And here he is.
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you. How you doing? You good?
Good.
Where's the lobby? All right, so we found the guy. That's Martin. He's always here.
The guy found me. Put it there.
What's going on this year? What's new? What's going on?
Jets.
Okay.
JetPower. I mean,
Love it.
For us, it's a candy store, right?
Always.
Yeah, planes are definitely getting bigger. We still have, Horizon Hobby this year, they've got their wooden jets here. So we've got the
Yes.
BAE Hawk and the MB339, which are seemingly really good planes for people maybe getting into the jet scene.
Yeah, these are like a perfect size.
Yeah, they're wood, so people don't need to worry about the composite. People who are
and also
coming
price-wise, right?
Exactly, yeah.
These are not like as expensive as composites, right?
No, they're cheaper. They still have all the details. Especially the Hawk, that actually has, the covering is painted on.
Hold on, that's also from Horizon?
Yeah. So that's wood and covering.
But hold on, the Hawk came after this one?
Yes.
Ooh.
But it has all the rivets, all the panels, all printed onto the covering.
Oh, that's beautiful.
So it gets away from the previous cliche of I don't want a wooden jet with oar cover. It kind of looks more like a jet.
That's right, yeah.
And because it's a little bit lighter, it flies really well, and people are less worried about it because if they do have a bad landing, most people know how to fix wood.
Totally.
More than composite.
Totally, it's way easier to deal with. Unfortunately, for me, I know you'll hate me when I say that. I'm not a jet guy. I like, you know what I like, what I build.
Yeah.
Airliners and those scale stuff. Like yes, a jet. Give me a jet. I could build a jet if it's massive and just fly scale. Then I would consider. But like those, like the things you fly, holy shit, I would never do. You know, but it's amazing for me just to watch.
So
Yeah.
what's the kind of average that you would say that it takes you? I mean, okay, you're dedicating weeks, months, full time to it.
Months, yeah, full
So
time. And
it's gone
not
beyond the
just-
hobby,
There is
obviously.
there is a whole team.
Yeah.
A whole team,
But
you know.
even
and a
even
lot of-
full time, like
Yes.
how long does it probably take you from starting
I
the design to actually that
I,
first
I,
takeoff?
I think we averaged 5 months.
5 months.
We averaged 5 months now on each project.
Yeah.
You know, like when we started with the C-17, the C-17 took exactly 5 months.
Yeah.
Design took me like 2 months, 2 to 3 weeks. But from the
Only 2 weeks?
machining, yeah, CAD.
Yeah.
I'm quick.
I
I've
can
done
tell.
it. Yeah, quick.
Well, like
But-
everything. I mean, even 5 months for a beast of that characteristic.
I mean, I've mentioned it before, but if I'm doing that alone, it will take me
it'll-
years.
yeah.
You know, especially like me, I sometimes spend the whole day just tightening screw. Because this
So
is
you
how
wanna
we
make
build.
sure it's
Like
right.
this is how we build in here. Like,
Yeah.
is this screw? I wanna just polish it, but there, you know, there is a whole team.
Yeah.
So you cannot do that.
How
if you
many
slow
of-
down,
because we normally tend to see that. I know that in your videos,
you see just
you
me
see
and
you
Will.
see one.
You
one
see
of the
me
guys.
and Will.
Yeah.
Yes, but we are just assembling, right?
Yeah.
Like so, I finish the design, I send it to Chris
Yeah.
and the prop departments where they machine.
All the
So
foam
there is a
and-
whole team in there. They get the foam, they cut the foam, they machine the foam, they test fit everything,
Yeah.
and then hey, ready.
Come pick it up.
Bring it. No, they bring it to us because
Yeah, so
they have the
sizes,
equipment. I don't have it.
sizes.
Anyway, so they bring it to us, and then it's me and Will.
Yeah.
We start grinding on that thing, and then when we're done, we fly it, and then we give
On to
them
the next one.
right. But then the plane still, it's flying, but it
Yeah.
looks like shit.
Yeah, it
You
needs
know?
to go out.
So
and
there's
painting
a
and-
whole other team, or like 8 people, Mike and his
Okay.
team, and they are just
sanding,
a
and
whole
sanding,
month
and sanding,
sanding
and filling and sanding and filling and
detailing
sanding.
right. And like after all that, yes, our job is done, and then it's Tyler.
Yeah.
You know, he's the most excited, but for him, he's been flying these for a long time, so it's easy busy for him.
He still has to get butterflies.
Of course,
I
every
mean, there's-
time, yeah.
there's
he
no
gets
way you
nervous
get
a bit,
past that.
But he's used to it, and I don't know, he's
It's part of it. It's the adrenaline.
he's tough
it's
enough.
The rush.
He has that
it works.
tough, right? Yeah, but he's like, but he also says like, I trust you guys a lot.
Yeah.
That my nerves are way low. I'm not
Yeah.
so worried at all.
Well,
I trust in your skills.
yeah. Basically, CM Jets is best known, or his business has always been producing fuel tanks,
Right.
both for aero models and more recently also for UAVs, which is where the whole market seems to be going to.
Right.
He always had the dream of being a plane or kit producer.
Ah, right.
And we did the maiden flight on Saturday.
I saw it. I saw the video.
So,
you noticed the video about it, right?
Thank you.
Takeoff was you went on the
Yeah.
side. Yeah, that was sketchy. Huh?
Yeah, takeoff was a little bit iffy with the nose wheel system,
Oh,
but the landing
yes.
was amazing because it's got the system where before takeoff it extends the nose wheel, so it bounces up, so you have a high angle of attack for an easy
How
takeoff.
does it extend that?
It has a air piston inside
What?
the nose leg.
Yeah, and you're flying this today as well, right?
Yeah, we're actually flying this right before your flight, so
Hey.
it's me followed by you.
Okay. All right.
So we'll warm
And-
up we'll
and
warm
you
up the
know what?
crowd for you.
I saw
And then-
on the list. No, oh, come on. It would be. They should put me like at the last.
No,
Anyways.
no.
And after me is the Red Bull team.
Exactly. So we have the big plate right in the middle when everyone's outside having lunch, enjoying the show.
Right. It's like,
Here comes Rami.
And the like a Barca music. A break, you know.
Dude, we're walking around here. We're getting stopped every 2 minutes. Everyone wants to see it.
So together with this guy, he's helping me now working with the F-35. We're building 1 to
Nice.
6 size and 1 to 8 size, and then we go for the B with first with takeoff. Electric.
This size?
This size, yeah.
Ooh, I can't wait.
Yeah.
So you with them you're making molds and everything.
Everything, yeah. Yeah. So
But-
he founded me also on YouTube,
Right.
and he said, okay, this guy lives near to me, and we need to team up together.
Perfect.
So I can focus really on the insides, the landing gear, 21 doors.
And they do the details outside.
everything. 2000. So this is the IGMC over there, the booth. So my dream is to go there in 2027 with to fly there to compete.
Dude, I am so excited for you. For how many years you've been working
11
on
years.
those? 11 years.
11 years to
You-
100 videos.
I think you are one of the few who perfected it with every tiny single detail. And I
Iteration
think
after
it
iteration.
is about time that we see them in shows like this.
It's meant to be finished. We are so super close to having.
All right. How was the flight? How did it look in the camera? Mine was it was so bumpy, the wind.
Looked really cool, man. Looked awesome.
I tried my best to keep it just
I will agree with one comment that you made before taking off.
what?
It needs noise.
Right? I cannot hear it.
It's just.
Listen.
It looks right.
Yes, but it doesn't sound
just
right.
missing.
Exactly right.
Oh man.
I had this
You need
cranked fully up the whole
even
time.
if it's just a speaker or something.
Nah. For us, we love it. If you fly it at your own club,
Then you can hear it.
at events, I get it.
Yeah.
Of course, I hear it too.
On behalf of everyone here, thank you for bringing it.
Oh man, come on, man. I love that. You guys are awesome. I'm tired, but this was amazing. Unfortunately, we did not shoot so much of the actual, air show because we were inside a lot and I met so many people, so many pilots who were just talking the whole time. So I barely had any time. We're just gonna pack everything and go back home. And next week I am going back to Atlanta to continue working on the big version of this one. huge thanks to the organizer of this event. It's an amazing event in here. And yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.